Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanksgiving is all about gratitude, togetherness, but most importantly, amazing food. Today I'm sharing my secret recipe on how to make the most juiciest baked turkey ever. Takes no time to prep, absolutely delicious. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick moment to subscribe, like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's get started. All right, guys, to begin, I have a 13-pound of turkey right here, nice and clean. Be sure to leave your turkey out up to about 1 hour prior to cooking. So we are going to pat it dry, remove any moisture on the turkey. Once you are done, you're going to work on that delicious butter. So I have a bowl here. I am going to add in about 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Now be sure to leave these out 30 minutes before you start cooking so they can be nice and softened. I have the butter in a bowl. Now it's time to season that butter. So for my seasoning, I have onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of creole seasoning, adobo seasoning, and some salt. We're going to add that in. Also, we have thyme, rosemary, not too much, a little bit goes a long way. If you add too much in this butter combo, it's gonna be bitter, so try not to add too much. We have some fresh parsley going in, and we love some garlic up in here. So we're going to add in some freshly grated garlic. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Scrape that off and give it a nice mix together. Now you can do this ahead of time. Mix it together, put it in your fridge for tomorrow. Thanksgiving is all about prepping. If you prep the day before Thanksgiving Day, it should be a breeze for you. All right, now that butter is nice and ready. All right, guys, in here I have the Tony Chachere's injectable butter. I love using this butter. You can make some from scratch if you like, but I like to save myself the time. So I'm going to inject the turkey with this butter all over. I love me a good flavorful turkey wing, so we gotta make sure we add that butter in there as well. Most importantly, we gotta get the breast, so do not forget to add lots and lots of that butter to the breast. So now I am going to take that delicious butter and insert it underneath the skin of the turkey. I like to use a spatula. Just make space for that butter and grab a big dollop of that butter, stuff it in there, push it in, just like this. Easy, no mess. You can make this ahead of time, like I said. This is exactly what I'm gonna do. Just season my turkey the day before. And let me know if you guys want a vlog of everything that I'm cooking for Thanksgiving, or I'll just link my vlog channel below. You can check it out over there. Now, here's what you're gonna do. Grab the rest of that butter, honey. Every part of that butter, and just add it all over your turkey. Give the turkey a nice little generous rub with that butter. Now we are going to insert our celery inside the turkey. I'm gonna add some onion. All right. We have some thyme and parsley. All of these beautiful herbs are going to infuse, and the aroma going to insert throughout this beautiful turkey. So just stuff that in. just like this. Grab yourself a cooking twine and just tie those legs together just like this. Now is the time you can add some onion in here, some carrots, celery, potatoes. I'm gonna season it lightly though with a little bit of Creole seasoning. Just mix it up together like this. This is very optional, honestly. Grab my tray. And we're going to place that turkey right in there. To ensure the turkey is baked to perfection, I am going to be using my Thyme Gold Duo thermometer. This thermometer is perfect, especially if you are baking a turkey for Thanksgiving. Thank you, Thyme, for sending me this amazing St. Gold Duo thermometer. You guys, this thermometer has changed my life. I've never ever used a wireless thermometer before, and I am not going back. The Thyme Sync is a Bluetooth thermometer with 2 different probes. Each probe has 2 6 sensors for accurate meat reading and the ambient temperature of the air around it as well. It's great for slow cooking, grilling, smoking, you name it. Having 2 probes are ideal because turkey has both thighs and breasts, which require different cooking temperatures for optimal taste, making probe monitoring very essential. I love that the probes are stainless steel, which provides an excellent resistance against heat. If you drop these, there will be no damage happen to the probes. They are very sturdy, very doable. It is also waterproof, so you are able to add this to your dishwasher to clean it. And to charge this, you just grab your phone USB Type-C charger and charge it. I like that if you're out and about, you are able to monitor your meat temperature while you're away. You just go on the app, download the Thyme app, and you should be able to see everything that's going on with the meat temperature. You can set an alarm, you can set a timer, and it will notify you and let you know when it's done. I think this is the perfect gift for anyone in your life that loves to be in the kitchen. Even for yourself, you can go ahead and get yourself this one because you will have confidence in the kitchen with this. So if you want to achieve a perfectly cooked turkey this year, you need this Thyme Gold Duo thermometer. I do have a 15% off discount code. It is on the screen. Be sure to use it at checkout for 15% off. So I'm going to stick it on the thickest part of the turkey, which is the breast. Just insert that right here. And the other one, I'm going to insert it on the drum of the turkey. Perfect. And now we're going to cover the turkey nicely with a foil. And we're going to bake this in the oven on 350. And the thermometer will let us know when the internal temperature of this turkey hits 165 degrees. Oh my God, guys, the turkey is ready. It smells like Thanksgiving in here, okay? Oh my goodness, you guys, take a good look at this turkey. It looks absolutely mouth-watering. I cannot wait to try it, so let's give it a try. That looks really, really good. Okay, now this is a juicy turkey right there. Y'all see the juice? Oh yes, ma'am. Y'all see all this juice? Oh yes. And this is why you need a thermometer to make sure that turkey is being monitored, okay? Juicy, extremely, extremely flavorful. Hands down, the best turkey you'll ever try in your entire life. So juicy, so good, so flavorful. I have no words, okay? I have no words. Absolutely delish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. Hopefully you can try this out for Thanksgiving. Thumbs up the video if it's helpful. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.